now in full video mode.
Kayak trip 2025.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused. I'm gonna fight 'em all. A seven-nation army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking the time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette. And the message coming from my eyes says,
Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening.
You all have some wonderful young men who have been on a camping trip, and it was pouring ass rain, and they chose to come to Hinkley to the casino, and they are just amazing, amazing people.
sweet dreams.